Okay, here we go. It's January 12th again, and we're going to continue Christmas in January 12th. We just got the batteries in. Okay, should we do the big box? All right, Jack. What's in the big box? Do you remember? Can you say thank you, Nana and Papa? Thank you. All right. Hey, Jack. Take a look at what Dad's got. What did Dad open?
Jack, look, there's more.
Hey, Jack. What does Daddy have? Go look at what Daddy's opening up.
Press forward or reverse arrow now.
Yeah, what's Dad got?
Press forward or reverse arrow now.
Yeah, it's a car.
Hey, guys!
It's a car.
And
Whoa.
yeah. You for this, don't you?
Hey! Hey, God!
Whoa!
Oh.
God! Hey! God!
Car. All right. Up. You gonna go for a ride?